Folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. We got another cool one here today. I think you might recognize the place behind me, but let's turn around here and see what kind of fun we're having. We're at Beach Racers in St. Charles. We'll walk around here and look and see what we have. Look at that Corvette leaving. Check out this one driving down the road. Is that cool or what? I'm liking that. Very cool. I don't know what it is, but it's neat. For sure. Got all kinds of stuff happening over there. We got a few cars in line here. Got this beautiful pickup here. All right, let's walk across the street. See what it looks like. All right, this is what the place looks like. It's really a nice place. Little gathering point. Having like a little car get together on Sunday afternoons. And they got a little band up here. People bring their cars out. They play. They have food trucks. Let's see what we got going on here. He's pulling in. Let's walk right over here and see what we have here. Some cool cars. Look at this little thing. It's what they call a Lotus. This is a Chevy Biscayne. Pretty nice. Look at this little thing. Holy cow, those seats are sitting on the floorboard. Huh. Walk around and check out the stuff and see what's in here. Looking at the cars. All right, let's walk around inside the gas station here a little bit. See what's in here. This is pretty cool. Look at these old oil cans. Pretty neat. All right, well, we're gonna head out. See what else is out here. Let's walk around the Mercury. We have not really done that yet. This is a 1979 Mercury Monarch. Very nice little car. I love driving this little Mercury around. Let's look at the inside here. Inside of this thing is unbelievably clean. I keep a towel over the dash because the dash is absolutely perfect and it keeps the sun off of it. Look at the vinyl roof on this thing. Pretty cool. It's got a 250 6-cylinder. Little less than 37,000 miles on it now. Yeah, it's really a neat car. All right, enough of that one. Let's walk around this one. That's a nice truck here.
Do you want me to come home and go get the helmet and go to the game? What time is it? Yeah.
Very cool. 1972 Chevrolet. Very neat. Alright, let's look at this Chevelle Super Sport here. Now I heard a story that this one here has power windows and everything. This car is decked out. Those cool wheels. I'm going to get run over on the sidewalk here. 1972. All right, let's look at this one. All right, that was cool. Very nice. I'm about to get ran over, folks. Let's move on down to the
car shows up there.
To Phil's Monte Carlo.
And you'll be having your Corvette? No. Rambler too? No, Rambler. Okay. Rambler.
Very nice. There's the Chevelle.
Okay.
I gotta move. I'm out in the middle of the road. But it was worth it. They'll slow down. $1971. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. That's a nice car. It's got a 454 in it. Very cool.
All right.
Very neat. Okay. See what else we got coming down the road. Very sweet.
Well, thanks, y'all. That's a true story. Every once in a while, you gotta lean in and steal a kiss, you know?
All right, folks, check out this beauty. This car is awesome. Look at the inside. Wow. This thing is a sweet, sweet car. I think he told me this year was 1923, I think. I don't remember. Senior moment. Very cool. I'm liking it. Check out this blue one. Wow, very neat. Very, very cool. All right, let's go over here and check this one out. This is a Chrysler Newport. You don't see these cars out anymore. This one's in really nice shape. Look at the front end of that thing. Wow, that's nice. Let's look at the inside. Very cool. Very, very nice. All right, let's take a look at this Chevrolet here. Boy, that thing's a beauty. Very, very nice. Very cool. All right, let's look at this one. The rocks my way, and see me burn. 'Cause I'm learning to fly. Very, very neat. But I ain't got a way. Look at the interior in this thing. This thing is just beautiful. The headliner up there. It's got the row bar coming through the back window. Very, very cool. Very, very neat.
It's kind of fun hanging out with Kevin and them. Kevin's not my favorite person in the world, but it's pretty fun hanging out with him. Get through our race.
Let's take a look at this one.
Greg, how are you, sir?
Good, how about you? Good. All right, folks, let's take a look at this one here. This fella owns Craig's Customs. If you need any, if you want an engine like this sticking out of your car, you go see that guy right over there. He'll put one of these in your Volkswagen. I said, if you want an engine like this, you go see this man right here.
That's right.
If you want one of these in your Volkswagen, go see that man right
Heck
there. Yeah, I'm liking it.
I think y'all little Tom.
But you forgot the muffler.
That's in there.
Oh, okay, it's underneath the hood, huh? Okay. Yeah. Look at all the switches in that thing. Wow. Huh. There you go, folks. Very cool. Very neat. Ooh, boy, check out this beauty. Wow. This should be a 67. Very, very neat. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Show Me Your Car. If you did, click on the little logo right here. You can subscribe there. It's free to do. Then right over here on this side is the last video I just did. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. I really appreciate it.